Matshidiso a tsweletse go goroga go latela leso la seopedi sa mmino wa hip hop Kiernan Forbes le motsamaisi wa gagwe wa maloba Tebello Motswane. Ba lelapa la Forbes ba totobaditse dikgang tseno mo pegelong. Forbes o tlhokafetse a le dingwaga di le 35. O goletse kwa Johannesburg mme o konoseditse grade 12 kwa St John's College. Balatedi ba gagwe ba tla gopola mogaka yono wa bona ka dipina tsa gagwe tse di tumileng tse di akaretsang World Is Yours le All Eyes on Me.
Seeing him at the African BET Awards in 2017, I really felt like that was one of the best performances I personally seen Post Malone and people of that nature and that caliber. I'd say he's one of the international stars and bright lights that we had in SA, and having him slain in such a beastly manner would be heartbreaking to anyone.
I am very sad because he was an inspiration to me, more like a role model.
Ba bangwe ba tshwenyegile thata ka tshireletsego ya maAfrika Borwa.
What has happened in Durban is pretty bad, not just for artists. This thing we must not only deal with it because it's artists. Normal civilians, they deal with these things on a daily basis. It happened to somebody in Pretoria, nothing was done, no investigations, nothing. Nobody was caught. Same thing is going to happen with AKA.
I'm hoping that there'll be a next performance that we hear AKA. It's quite sad how many artists are leaving. It's first DJ somebody, now it was Rick, now it's a lot of good artists.
Makoko a dipolotiki le lefapha la botaki le setso le bona ba tshedisitse ba lelapa.
He was an artist who had so much more to give. He's collaborated with so many artists, both within Africa and also globally as well. And AKA was also known as a writer, he was a producer, he was an entrepreneur. He was widely known as someone who was extremely patriotic. He literally flew the flag of South Africa very high.
We are dismayed that such a bright star has been dimmed at its dawn. AKA served as an inspiration in the development trajectory of South Africa and the continent. He flew the South African flag high in the global music stage, soaping a number of prestigious awards in the country and abroad.
Go begwa seopedi seno se ne se le kwa Durban pele ga go gololwa ga albumo e letetsweng go gaisa ya Mass Country kgwedi eno e le 24. Dintlha malebana le phitlho di tla itsisiwe.